like to request Ms. Neena Lath Gupta and Mr. Uday Singh. Topic of the discussion is going forward with the National Film Commission.
When is this film facilitation unit going to happen?
Well, hopefully very soon, Uday. I hope by the end of this financial year, certainly.
And with this film, there will be a full organization, I presume, which will ensure that some of the issues that we discussed in the morning are not left out.
Setting up a film commission in India is certainly not going to be as simple as it is to set up a film commission in a smaller country. It's going to have a lot of problems, a lot of challenges, not problems. But the good news is, and I see that very, very positively, is the fact that there's awareness. You know, there is, and that was the principal challenge in the first place, was to make people aware of the advantage of film to tourism. And I think that awareness is building up in a very big way. It's building up within the government as well, both at the state levels and the central level.
May I now invite Mr. Ramesh Sippi and Ms. Guneet Monga to kindly take on the next discussion, which is co-productions, how they would help cinema tourism.
We're talking about where co-production can be either made in the country of your partner or within India, or maybe both. So what are the hurdles that we are going through, and what is it that we can resolve in the near future?
There are a couple of major hurdles. One of the major hurdle is the structuring of this contract. There is no such standardization of structuring of this contract because it's not even about standardization. There is not much knowledge and information about this.
We can have a workshop. We can call whoever is interested to come and speak about co-production. We can do a workshop which
I
you
think
can...
one UK producer, one Canada and one France producer.
No, if what I'm saying is after having put in all that work and arrived at and signed the treaty, what is happening after that?
Sir, in my mind, the way the co-production treaties are being formulated, being created, there is a flaw there. I don't think industry is involved. We get to know after the document is executed.
Thank you very, very much for this very interesting dialogue. Thank you. Can I now request Mr. Rajan Kapoor and Mr. Ashish Singh? Now, they are going to dialogue on the learning curve.
Good evening, everybody, and thanks for your time. So I'd like to sum it up into 3 or 4 key points before I discuss with Rajan. Single window clearance is a no-brainer. Secondly, the most important thing now for us to decide on a location because of a depreciating rupee is the incentives that the locations offer. Third and most important thing, obviously, I mean, we've already had a discussion regarding film commissions and the role that they play.
Since I don't know anyone there, I can't pick up the phone and call up somebody.
Line producers. Actually, yeah, that's the best route. So there are people who do line production, and I think we worked with the same person when we shot for Jab Tak Hai Jaan and for Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
And second question I had, is it really one of the reasons that a lot of big budget films, a big star cast film in India, they want to go abroad only because they can't handle crowds in India?
I don't know whether they spend that kind of money just going abroad, but handling crowds, sir, is a very big problem. For me, the 7 days I spent in Delhi with shooting with Mr. Salman Khan were absolute hell.
Thank you very much, Mr. Singh and Mr. Kapoor.
I'm extremely grateful to Thai tourism, to Madam Suraya for making it possible along with the team. May I also welcome the Deputy Consul General of Thailand in Mumbai for being here. I will now request Marcy to take over the evening and a bit more of the flavors of Thai for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, namaste and sawadee ka. I would like to invite Ms. Sirin Suratin, Deputy Consul General and Acting Consul General of the Royal Thai Consulate General in Mumbai.
Ladies and gentlemen, a wise man said, movies are the fastest way to people's heart. It is one of the best way to tie friendships at people-to-people level between both countries. Films are also excellent vehicle for destination marketing, where we can present new product development opportunities. This kind of event should be organized more often, and I wish this will be a successful event that could help strengthen film industry and promote tourism between India and Thailand. Thank you very much, and please enjoy the Thailand.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Our privileged opportunity to present the Cinema Tourism Awards. May I request Mr. Mahesh Bhatt to please join us here on stage, and also Mr. Manish Goswami. This is the segment regarding television. Within television, one is for the best television serial on location shooting within India, and the other is the best television serial shooting in a foreign location.
In the foreign location, the winner is Ek Nayi Ummeed, Roshni, by Pulse Media.
Winner for the best India location television serial, the winner is
Udan, Gurudev Balla Productions.
First of all, I need to congratulate the organizers of the Thai night. I think it's such a sensational audio-visual experience that we just got a taste of. I think the representatives of the various states from our country need to take a lesson or two from our friends from Thailand, that this is an age of the audio-visual medium. And I think if you want to lure filmmakers into your states, you need to create audiovisual units which are as mesmerizing as our friends from Thailand did.
Our next segment is the film category, and may I request Mr. Ramesh Sippy to please come on stage. In the international section, the winner is?
The winner is Queen. Phantom, Viacom 18.
For the India location,
The winner is none else but Haidar.
the next segment is advertising, and the gold or the best film for shooting a destination advertising film is Daman and Diu. Nirvana Films. The silver winner for advertising
is Uttar Pradesh Tourism, home of Taj, Ravi Udaivar Films.
This next award is for somebody very special for us this evening, and I'm requesting Rameshji to say a few words.
This gentleman is called the showman of our film industry. And a showman like Subhash Ghai, he has made some of the most brilliant films and exploited everything from nature on to show how beautiful it all can be. This is the man of the hour.
When I was in 4th standard, I got a trophy from my teacher. And I went to my mother, and she blessed me
काम करो ना करो अवार्ड लेते रहना. I'm very thankful to Mr. Naveen Reddy, the organization, the Thai night. It's the International Day. My congratulations to all of you on the Thai night.
Thank you very much for being with us.